Hello, and welcome to the Michigan Department of Education's NexSys tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to complete and certify a final expenditure report in NexSys. Let's get started. From the NexSys homepage, go to Administration, Account Administration, and then Reporting Final Expenditure. Enter in your agreement number and then hit Search. Once the results load, click on the pencil icon to view the report. Before entering in any information, review the instructions at the top of the page. First, you'll want to review and complete the business office contact, project contact, and any other fields you feel are necessary before continuing. Once that's complete, you're going to want to bring your attention to the bottom half of the screen. We're going to enter in the final expenditure amounts for the applicable function code. In this example, the function code is already displayed, so we can just enter expenditures directly into the available categories. These amounts should reflect how the grant funds were actually spent. Some FERs may not display function codes automatically. If that happens, users may need to manually add the function codes before entering in expenditures. Let's go over a few different scenarios you might run into when inputting your expenditure amounts. In this first example, the amount paid is $42,000, but the final expenditure is $40,000. Because the expenditures are less than the amount already paid, NexSys displays an overpayment warning. This can be found in the top right of your screen. This warning means the recipient was paid more than the amount reported as spent. Warnings like this should be reviewed, but they do not stop the FER from being posted and certified. So if you get a warning like this one, you can continue. In this next example, the final expenditure exceeds the approved amount, and so NexSys displays an error. Errors like these must be corrected before the FER can be posted. And then finally, in this example, the final expenditure matches the amount paid. Because this is the cleanest scenario, this is what we'll continue with for the rest of the video. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Once the FER is saved and any errors have been corrected, click the Post button at the bottom of the page. Doing so changes the FER status from entered to posted. Now that the FER is posted, it must be certified. To do so, return to the Administration tab, and then Account Administration, and then select Certifying Final Expenditure Report. On this page, enter in your agreement number and then hit Search. Then select the result you want. From this page, scroll down, review the certification statement, then click Agree to the above to certify the FER. Once certified, the FER process is complete. Alrighty, you have now learned how to complete and certify a final expenditure report in NexSys. For a complete written walkthrough of the process, please refer to the written technical assistance guide found at the link on screen. Thanks for watching.